guys, welcome to the first episode of 33 Questions with the Observer, and today we have a very special guest. I'm just going to allow him to introduce himself.
If you don't know, Diane representing 33 Questions. Like, check it out. Vibes.
Sorry, so we run out of time. Run out of time. Run out of time. What fam? See you doing alright. I know it's been a long time.
Alright, tell us where we can find you on social media.
You can find me on all social media platforms at TRULYDYN. High five, tag, everything with it.
Oh, you have an high five?
That's a joke.
Alright, no problem. Alright, so we're getting straight into the questions.
Yeah, I'm ready.
First question is, how did you get your name?
Basically it's a combination of my mom's name and my middle name, as well as it's researched. It represents sincerity, truth, Indian, I think, Indian, so.
Truly Diane.
Truly Diane.
Alright, what's the name of the first song you ever wrote? Not the first song we know, but when you were in high school.
Yeah, Dutch Pot.
Oh, do you please?
Baby, tell me how you feeling. I will be your shield then. I'll be the one who holds your heart. You'll be the one who fuels my spark. And I'll be your fire. Fire for your Dutch pot. Something like that.
How old were you when you wrote that?
I wrote that when I was like 17. Crazy. I didn't even know the song meant at that time. But it's a vibe.
Who are some like artists that you probably look up to or you respect?
I respect everybody that does music, in all honesty, but in terms of like motivation as an artist, Dennis Brown, most definitely. Him cultivate my sound, writing style as well. You don't know your Bob Marley move and the greats as well, Cartel, but he definitely influenced my sound and music.
The next question is, how old were you when you had your first kiss?
First kiss, probably 16.
I thought you were going to say 6 because I said
16. Probably 6 of them 10, but I don't think I consider a kiss probably, you know, that innocent. But in terms of like meaningful kiss, probably 16.
Alright, the next question for you is if you want to get married like anytime down the line.
Yeah, definitely. But for me, marriage is sacred. So I take my time with that, and I take my time with love as well. So.
What did you want to be when you were growing up?
A civil engineer. Yeah.
Alright, what's your favorite thing to do?
Make music.
Other than that?
Oh, play football. Play football. Laugh. And just vibe, pretty much.
Pool, river, or beach?
Depending on the energy still. But I found myself loving rivers more as of late. Yeah, but river, I guess.
Indoors or outdoors?
Outside.
Outside. Country life or city life?
Country life, always.
What's one of the greatest risks you've ever taken?
Music. Music, definitely. It wasn't, what I say, something that was planned, but it was something that was destined, in a sense. So, music, wholeheartedly.
How long have you been in the business? How long have you been like singing and things?
Professionally for 5 years. Been doing it from high school, so that's like almost like 8, 10 years. Almost 8, 10 years.
Which leads me to the next question. Which high school did you go to?
Ulmas, Agricola.
What that mean?
Where we do it best.
Somebody wants me to ask if you got vocal training or is that in natural
No,
voice?
that was bathroom training. Bathroom singing, must start sing first. I tried vocal training, it was nothing that I needed because I already completed the basics of singing in the bathroom already. So I don't think you need vocal training if you want to sing.
Alright, what have you found yourself doing during the weekend lockdowns? Like something that you probably never expect?
Sleep. Now I'm always working, so sleeping now is actually become something routine, which is good. Sleep is always good. You can always work. Rest is essential in productivity.
True. Carrying party.
Definitely. I realize that.
What inspires you when you write?
Life, situations, people, experiences, but essentially life. Everything that I write is basically a depiction of something that someone has experienced or I have experienced, as well as philosophy. I'm a very philosophical person.
Now, what do you look for in a female, in a woman?
What do I look for? Truth. When I say truth, meaning truth to themselves, truth to what them want, truth to what them expect, just genuine truth as a human being and what them expect out of a relationship or what the situation is, whatever it is. Isn't it?
Do you want kids? And if so,
Definitely.
how many?
Anyone? I'm home again.
So you're not gonna like stop at a point?
No, because at the end of the day, still, it's not like something where, although you have Planned Parenthood, but you have sometimes situations where occur where the child has arrived. So.
Yeah, but what suppose you reach like 4? You're not gonna like take precautions to not.
Yeah, definitely, but I must say, you can be cautious to a certain amount. Situations still happen where you have no control over.
What's your favorite movie?
Inception.
Favorite actor or actress?
I read the guy who died by the
The Chadwick?
Chadwick, yeah, because you don't know, it's the first. And Blade, the guy for Wesley Snipes, Blade.
Oh yeah, that should have say that should have said.
Wesley Snipes. And Halle Berry. Babes.
I hope she's watching.
Halle, I love you.
How would you spend $1 million if you got it right now? You must have enough money that, by the way.
That's true.
But no, quick.
Ask your mother for advice. I know how to spend it. Because she's a financial planner.
Mommy first.
Yeah, so she should help me. But off the top of my head, start my studio pretty much. But that can't even start a studio.
Because equipment, that's practically just the rent for the building.
The rent, the plugins itself is almost $1 million plus the equipment. So
where do you see yourself in 5 years?
having a sustainable international career as the brand DRD. And you can see it. That got me.
Yeah man, we see it.
You see it?
Alright, can you cook?
Yeah, I'm not starve.
That means like you can help yourself, but you like you got
I'm
all
not
the
a chef. I can cook mackerel.
Alright.
I can cook tuna and everything.
Tell me your favorite, what's your go-to meal?
Go-to meal, quick cereal.
That count.
That count?
Unless you have a mix the last cook, that's the only work I can do.
Go-to meal where I can cook. I like mackerel and you know the fried boiled dumpling them.
Boil and fry.
Yeah.
That overnight is
Win. That's my specialty.
Wait, but some people like when it's soft, some people like when it's crispy.
No, I like crispy with plantain.
I'm not doing crispy.
Win.
Too tough.
Win.
Alright, what's the most romantic gesture you've ever done?
Partner at the time, girlfriend at the time. She graduated, so I planned like a surprise party and some romantic vibe, you know, wine and carry out and everything. She never expected it and it was a good vibe. This time I invited her whole family from abroad and everybody, so a good little energy.
What's something that a lot of people don't know about you?
Very shy, extremely shy. Like shy where I'm not talk, and that's why I'm not talk, but very shy.
This is probably the most you've ever told about
the most people on social media probably would ever see me express myself.
Good stuff. You heard it here first. 33 questions with Observer. Alright, what is your idea of a perfect date?
Perfect date. A genuine vibes, like probably go St. Thomas, you know, long border. Watch the sunset. Eat some fried fish or something, you know. Drink some alcohol and just all that vibe. But I like that little natural.
Yeah, nothing too restaurant. Yeah. Dressed up.
No slippers and my shirt, if I'm on a shirt, my shorts and shirt or whatever she needs to have. We just all have like an airy vibes, nothing, and just all have like genuine, intimate conversations because people don't really have conversations as much. So I like having like face-to-face conversation. Talk about nothing but still meaningful to me.
What's your favorite sport?
Football. Love football, love track and field as well.
Favorite athlete?
Henry.
Favorite football team?
Arsenal, Gunners.
Alright, final question is, what big plans do you have? What can we expect from you in the rest of the year or just going forward? You said you want a sustainable international career.
Yeah, don't know.
Or the
win a Grammy. That's the intention of putting in the universe.
Positive energy.
Amazing music for release. My album, Muy Bien Exquisite. great. So we can look forward for that soon, hopefully. And just singles and promotion and just good energy and good vibes from yours truly.
What is your favorite song that you've written though?
Unreleased. But I like Dutch Pot though. Dutch Pot is a really good song if you hear it. But the song entitled Amen, couple of I like my music. I'm a fan of my own music.
Well, that's good. If nobody else like it, at least you know you like
I'm a big fan of my work as well. So
that's good that you put out stuff that you like.
yeah, man, definitely. Put out everything on my like. I want to do music if I never put out on my life. Yeah.
Alright, thanks for coming, guys. Don't forget to follow him on social media at Truly Diani. He's on High Five, MySpace,
Everything.
Tinder,
Everything.
Twitter.
Trouble.
And don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms at Jamaica Observer, and don't forget to subscribe to our e-paper www.jamaicaobserver.com. Until next time, thanks for tuning in, guys.
Live life and prosper. Yeah, representative.